Hello everybody, welcome in MBM classes. Today I am going to teach you how to make a triangular base pyramid. A solid 3D figure pyramid, like here triangular base. This base is triangular shaped and on each side we are going to make walls, that means faces. Again all these are of triangular shape. So by this you can easily find out the total number of faces, number of edges, number of corners, everything. Okay. Similarly, we have to make this type of pyramid in which is called square based pyramid, because the base is square having 4 sides here, and on each side you are going to make walls or faces in the shape of triangle. Okay. Again, you will easily count the number of faces as 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bottom is 5. You can easily count the number of edges and corners also. So this 3D figure, or we can say square based pyramid as well as triangular based pyramid, how to make it, today I am teaching you. So for that you need all these things like pair of scissors, sketch pen only for decoration if you want to decorate the walls, so that you can use sketch pen, one pen, pencil, compass, scale and protector. Okay. So by just collect all these things to make triangular base pyramid as well as square base pyramid, or you can make any pyramid with different bases like pentagonal pyramid or hexagonal base pyramid. You can make any. So I am going to teach first of all how to make a square base pyramid. So for square based pyramid we need first of all one sheet on which you are going to make this one. Okay, any color sheet you can take it. After that you have to draw a square of any dimension. Here I have taken already the measurement of this side is 6 centimeter. Then after that, after making this first line as 6 centimeter, or you can take any, you have to make 90-degree angle with the help of protector. Mark it as 90 degree. Okay, and then on other side, on other end also you have to mark as 90 degree, and after that you have to join this point with the same measurement as 6 centimeter like this. Okay, I already drawn these lines, so simply I will overlap these lines, just drawing another this last side to make complete square, this one. Okay, after making this square, what you are going to do, you have to take compass. As the measurement of each side here is 6 centimeter, if you want to take 6 centimeter radius, you can. If you want to take more than this, you can. I am going to take here of 8 centimeter. Okay, so for this we are going to take radius of 8 centimeter. With the help of this 8 or 7.5, it's up to you. That means it's not compulsory that every time you are going to take another radius which is exactly equal to this. It may be less or more. It's up to you. Here I have taken 8 centimeter. Now see, this side we don't have space of the paper. So I will take either this side or this side. So let me just show how to make the triangle on one of its side. So I am going to make triangle on this side. For that what you are going to do, you have to take this point as center, keep iron tip over here and draw an arc of radius 8 centimeter. Okay. Similarly from this point you have to take radius 8 centimeter and draw one more arc in this way. So whenever you are going to make these two arcs, you will get this point of intersection, this point. Join this point with these 2 points with the help of scale. So you have to join by this way, like this, you have to join it. Okay. Similarly, this point of intersection of the arcs will join with the one of the corners of the square. After that, now see, this one triangle is already we made. Now what we are going to do, we have to take same radius. Instead of keeping iron tip here and here, we have to keep iron tip here. मतलब यहाँ पे अब आप सेंटर लेके जितना रेडियस आपने पहले लिया था, एक आप बड़ा सा आर्क कट करो. लाइक आपको सर्कल जैसे बनाना है, पूरा वो सर्कल जैसे बनता है, जो आप उसको जितना बना सकते हैं आर्क आप अपने उस पेपर पे बनाइए. वो आपको यहां से भी बना के क्रॉस करके जा सकता है, लाइक ऐसे. नाउ सी दिस बिगर आर्क विल बी देयर. ये जैसे आर्क आपने बनाया. नाउ व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, एज यू नो द मेजरमेंट ऑफ दिस साइड. Measurement of this side, it was 6 centimeter. Got it? 6 centimeter. So now what you are going to do, you have to take 6 centimeter radius and draw 3 more arc on this bigger arc. Got it? For example, let me just complete this part. After that, I will just make all the remaining arcs. Okay, in this way I have completed this one. Now change the radius because I want this much size. So now take this much radius, 6 centimeter. Keep iron tip here, cut an arc. Okay, name this point, or simple you have to mark with dark color, even sketch pen or by pen. Now keep iron tip here, one more arc you have to cut. Again I am just marking with this one. Okay, now see, first side, second side, third side, and one more arc we have to mark by taking this point again center, and this is the last point, this one. What you will do, you have to use your scale, join all these 3 points with this common point. Okay, in this way. Now see, let me just show how to join this one. Actually we need crease, that's why we have to join all these things, and we will come to know how to fold it from these crease. So like this, and also you have to join these points. So straight line you will get here like this. Again here when you join these 2 points, again at last you will join these 2 points also. Clear? Now see, actually it was a square. On one of its sides we have already made one triangle with the measurement of 8 centimeter. That means take radius of 8 centimeter, draw these 2 arcs, you will get one meeting point. With this point, with the same radius 8 centimeter, draw a circle, or we can say draw a bigger arc, not complete circle, just more than half, or like that, whatever the space you have in the page. Okay, now after that, whatever the side of the square you have as 6 centimeter, now take compass, radius as 6 centimeter, keep iron tip over here, draw first arc, then keep iron tip over here, draw second arc, and with this point as center, draw one more arc. Join all these points, these two, and all these points you have to join with this also, with the help of scale. Clear? What we are going to do, now I am going to cut this figure. All these lines here we have to fold it, so that we will come to know about the faces of the pyramid. Okay, so and this particular arc shape also, it is not compulsory to cut exactly from line. You can, if you want to make one flap also, so in each case you have to make flap, otherwise it's not compulsory. Okay, now what we are going to do, we have to cut this piece. How we are going to cut, I will show. We have to cut whatever, wherever you are just getting this arc, the bigger arc, on the edge of that particular part, you are going to cut this one. You have to cut in this way, so that you are not supposed to separate square and the figure which we already drawn. Okay, don't separate it. In this way you are going to cut like this. We are going to cut a little far from the given line segment, whatever we are going to make, little far, so that it is easy to fold it. Okay, now see, actually after cut all the remaining part, we are getting such type of figure. Now what you are going to do, we have to fold every this triangular part from this line like this. That means we are going to make crease, fold along with this line like this. Okay, similarly the second one, we have to fold it. We are going to fold it in this way. Then first crease, second crease, then the third crease I am going to fold again with the help of my finger, just press it so that you will get a very good crease. Similarly for this square also, where we are going to make it. Now see, this extra part we are having. If you want to make flap, you are going to cut with the scissor so that you will get the piece in such a way so that it will be folded with easy manner. Okay, for that also you can easily cut it. It's not compulsory. If you want any help, this flap, you can otherwise cut in this way also, like this. Okay, I don't want any flap, so I will cut along with the edge of side of the triangle, like this. Only one flap I need here, so I will just fold it from this crease. So with the help of folding way, that means you are getting the crease like this. See, now I am going to keep all the triangle in this way. See, and this extra fold you will just take a flap, and if you want to stick over there on the last sheet or the last face of this pyramid, you can. So this is called square base pyramid. Now see, when you just stick it, you will get 4 faces as boundary. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means walls. 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, the base will be square. So it is called square based pyramid. And in this way, you are getting square based pyramid. This is called 3-dimensional figure. See, it should be a very nicely when you are going to fold it, and if you are going to just stick this flap over this side, you will get exactly the same figure. And if you want to make flap here also, you can. So this is called square based pyramid. Hope you can easily make with the help of this video. So try to make this square based pyramid, and with this manner you can make pentagonal, hexagonal, triangular base pyramid. Any pyramid you can make it. But this was square base pyramid. If you want to decorate with the help of sketch pen, you can decorate these walls also. Some design, some color, some whatever you are going to do with the decoration part is yours. You can decorate it, and this is called square based pyramid. Okay, thank you.